How long should you really fast to trigger autophagy? What if every time you ended your fast, you were stopping just minutes before your body's real healing even began? Kind of like turning off the washing machine right before the final rinse. It looks done, but the dirt's still there. Fasting works the same way. Today, you're going to learn how long it actually takes before your body flips that hidden switch called autophagy, your built-in cellular cleanup system. Autophagy isn't hype. It's biology. It's how your body clears out old, damaged cells and recycles them into healthier, stronger ones. It may help support healthy aging, energy, and internal repair. But here's what most people don't realize. Timing matters. Stop too early and you miss the magic. Go too long and you burn out. So where's the sweet spot? Most people fast for 12 or maybe 14 hours and assume that's enough. Sure, that's great for digestion and weight control. But when it comes to turning on deep cellular repair, you've barely scratched the surface. Your body needs time to burn through stored sugar before it even considers switching into cleaning mode. And this timing isn't identical for everyone. It depends on your lifestyle, your metabolism, how active you are, and how often you fast. That's why two people can do the exact same fast, but only one actually activates this powerful repair state. If you want to understand your body instead of guessing, hit that subscribe button, because we make real science simple. Think of your body like a house. Every day, dust builds up, waste proteins, damaged cells, and cellular junk you don't need. Autophagy is like a deep clean your body performs when you stop constantly feeding it. After about 12 hours, your body begins running out of quick energy from food. Between 16 and 18 hours, it gently begins shifting toward fat burning and early autophagy. By around 24 hours, the process grows stronger. Your body starts breaking down old, worn-out cellular parts and recycling them. And somewhere between 24 to 36 hours, many experts consider this the repair zone, when autophagy is believed to work more powerfully. That dip in energy you sometimes feel, that foggy moment you think is just hunger, often that's your body cleaning house. But here's the twist. Not everyone reaches this zone at the same time. If you're active, eat fairly clean, or fast regularly, you may reach it quicker. If you rely on lots of carbs or struggle with insulin resistance, it may take longer, and that's okay. Your body has its own rhythm. Now here's the part almost nobody talks about. You can interrupt autophagy in seconds. One wrong sip or bite can switch your body right back into fed mode. Sweetened drinks, sugary snacks, creamy coffee. Anything that spikes insulin can stall the process. Stick to water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea to stay safe. Stress can interfere too. When stress hormones stay high, the body prioritizes survival, not repair. So staying calm matters more than you think. And the first meal after your fast? Huge. If you break your fast with heavy, processed carbs, or loads of sugar, you undo half the benefits you worked for. Start light. Think bone broth, healthy fats, gentle protein, or veggies. Then ease into normal eating. Wondering how often to do this? Beginners, try 16:8. Fast 16 hours, eat within 8. Intermediate, 1 24-hour fast a week can do wonders. Advanced, occasionally try 36 hours, but always listen to your body and stay hydrated. Autophagy isn't punishment. It's balance. Your body needs time to clean and time to rebuild. Fasting isn't deprivation. It's maintenance of the system that keeps you alive. So, how long should you fast to activate autophagy? For most people, somewhere between 18 and 36 hours, depending on your metabolism, diet, and experience. There's no single perfect number. There's only your number. Listen to your body. Notice your focus, your calm, your clarity. When you feel lighter and strangely steady, that's when the switch may have flipped. Autophagy isn't magic. It's your body's natural reset button. You just have to give it time. And if you want to know the real signs your fasting is actually working, watch my next video. I'll show you the top indicators that your body is in deep repair mode, so you know your efforts are paying off.